Alright, so today I'm gonna show you like 2 tricks, something that I've learned and researched about the Nissan Rogue. For one of them two, it's gonna be the how you say, for example, you wanna turn the horn off when you're locking your car, and then the next one is with the back wiper, how to spray the water at the back. I never knew how to do that at first. When I just got the car, I never know how to like, I only knew how to use the wiper at the back. So so if you want to spray the wiper at the back, let me show you. If you want to spray the wiper, spray the water at the back, let me show you. You're gonna, so this right here, right? If you spin this, then you turn the wiper on, right? So this knob right here, if you spin it, you can turn the wiper. Now it's off. You spin it to you, it's off. You spin it forward, it's wiping. All right. So now, if you wanna spray the water so you can wash the back glass and wipe it at the same time, you have to, the same lever, right? You have to push it forward. So whenever you push it forward, so you have to push it forward. You push it forward. Whenever you push it forward, then that happened. You can see the water coming down and stuff like that. That happened whenever you push it forward. So you push it forward, you get your water and the wiper at the same time. So I recently just kind of figured that out. Yeah, I recently just kind of figured that one out. So the next one now, we're gonna like close your car without the sounding of the alarm, right? So this is your key. Normally when you close it, you're gonna get the horn, right? You close it, you get the horn. Alright, so this is your key. In order to kill the sound, you're gonna squeeze the lock and the open button at the same time. Then you're gonna get a light. You should get the indicator to notify you that it's off. So you squeeze both of them together, then you get the light and the horn. Hold on, go ahead. You squeeze both of them together. Right? You're supposed to get the light to notify you. So now, if you want to close it, you see the sound is gone. But when you close it, you will still get the lights. So if you watch, you'll get the indicator. You see? So it's closed. So now we're gonna reverse the option. To turn it back on, you have to do the same thing. You hold down the lock and the open together. You're supposed to get the light to notify you, then the horn will go back on. So whenever there you go. So to turn it off, you squeeze the lock and the open button together. You're supposed to get the light to notify you that it's off when you squeeze them both together. You see? You get the light, that means it's off. Now you can go ahead. You press it to close it. It's off. And then you just repeat the process. Squeeze them down together. Then you get the horn sound. That means it's back on. And then you press. There you go. So that's basically how you turn it on and turn it off.